So the Federal Reserve has finally gone and relented with rate cut. But jumbo rate cut is something that everybody was not very well prepared for. So they have front-loaded the rate cutting cycle by bringing in this rather super rate cut. And that did help the markets initially. The markets were much higher within 10 minutes of the rate cut announcement. But as the press conference started and little into the press conference, we saw the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq give up most of their gains and dip into the red. The case today is a little different. We are seeing a delayed reaction from the stock markets, the Dow, S&P, and the Nasdaq. We are seeing that the markets are much higher in the green, and we have the Dow at this point of time up almost 550 points. We have Nasdaq up closer to 400 points, and looks like a great morning session on Wall Street. Yeah. As we go a little further in the session, more towards as we go further into the trading, you may start seeing some amounts of weakness, say about little like 11ish New York time. Reason being that a rate cut of this magnitude is very helpful to boost the economy, but it can also indicate that there are some underlying conditions in the economy which maybe the Federal Reserve was able to see which others have not been able to see so far. Also, normally it is matter of a historical analysis that whenever the first rate cut in a rate cutting cycle is such a big start with like a 50 basis points rather than the normal 25 basis points, then you normally see a 10% or so drop over the next 1 year. On the other hand, if this was just a 25 basis points rate cut, then you would see a 10% rise over the next 1 year. The reason for this type of a reaction could be that maybe the markets are beginning to figure out whether the Fed was ahead of the curve or behind the curve. To get to know more predictions of the market, and of course, as I said today, as we go a little further, you may see some weakness begin to creep into the markets. Do join our Prime or Prime Plus Telegram groups, which are addressed primarily for the US markets. For the Indian markets, you can join Premium Plus, or you can join the very good daily predictions package, which gives you daily predictions in advance. The Premium Plus gives you 10 to 12 days predictions in advance with very good multi-baggers, stocks, recommendations, and you can join any of these packages by WhatsApping us on 98208610044. Happy investing and have a great investing day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.